Is your Pinterest username no longer reflecting your brand or personal style? Luckily, it's easy to change. In this quick tutorial video, you'll learn how to change your username on Pinterest in a few simple steps. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. First of all, let's open up the Pinterest application and then tap on the little profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on your Pinterest profile, you will see your display name, and underneath that, you will see your username. So this username is unique to you and no one else has this specific username because you can't create two accounts with the same username. So if you want to change your username, tap on these three little dots at the top right corner of the screen and then tap on Settings. Once you are on the Settings page, tap on Public Profile. And now you have the option to change your Pinterest username. So go ahead and tap on Username and change it to anything that you like. After you've entered your new username, click the Done button in the upper right corner of the screen. And now you have successfully changed your Pinterest username. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.